Business 301 is a class where we're assigned a real business and we get to work as a consultant to help them with any issues that they're having. Inside of class, we work on professional skills like communication, teamwork, as well as learning how to present to a client. Outside of class, we spent most of the time meeting with our teammates, meeting with the client, doing research, as well as coming up with recommendations for our client.
When we first started Business 301, we got kind of a general overview of how to be successful in business and work with clients and that kind of thing. And then we were presented with all these different client companies that we could choose to work with. When you meet your client, you do your initial meeting from them and hear about the goals they want you to accomplish for their business, just kind of what they want to get out of this partnership that you have with them.
The problem that I was actually looking at was how to get more involved with campus. Our business is not necessarily close to the primary campus, so we were really looking for what kinds of campus events are happening, when are there going to be big influxes of visitors and things like that, and how can we leverage that, whether we bring good Judys to campus or we help bring campus to good Judys. The process has actually been a lot of fun and very involved. In my job, I do a lot of project management, so I've really enjoyed being part of every step of this process. The kickoff was a lot of fun because I got to put some faces and names with who I'd be working with throughout the semester.
The first time we met Dakota was actually in person here, and we got to try the products, we got to meet him, we got to see how the customers interact with the staff. We also kind of got to see the store environment as a whole with like the merch behind us, the layout of the store. So it's nice to see how everything came together in person.
From there, we moved to weekly Zoom meetings where we updated our client on our progress, asked questions, as well as looked for any feedback. Then we had our midpoint presentation to make sure all of our recommendations are on track, as well as our progress. Then we had our final presentation where we were able to give our final recommendations to our client.
Working with the students was a lot of fun. They are all very clearly motivated, and as someone who, when I was a student, was a very hands-on learner, I was very open-minded going into this project. So from the beginning, I was very much, what do you guys want to do versus what do you need from me? And they had a lot of ideas that they brought to the table too that were super useful. The research they did was very valuable. And I'm really looking forward to implementing a lot of their recommendations because they found a lot of things that I would have never even thought of. And they even, I think, learned some things about themselves or some things on campus that they hadn't known about prior to this experience either.
This project was super impactful to me. It taught me how to work with a client in a professional way, pivoting my work each week based off of his needs. I was taught that you can't always just do the work in the way that you might have originally planned to. You have to pivot and adjust based off of what your client is asking for. That was something that I hadn't really experienced before, but taught me a lot, and I will take that with me in my future career. And yeah, just being able to get feedback from a client and from a real business is really impactful, and I really enjoyed that. It's not something that I'm doing in any of my other courses, so giving that real world experience makes it feel a lot more impactful and meaningful and encourages me to work a lot harder on it because of that.
Honestly, I would do the whole thing over again because I've enjoyed every part of it. And at the end of the day, when I saw their final presentation, I was absolutely just blown away. I was kind of proud of the work they did as well, but also just generally excited for the deliverables that they're bringing us too.